In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an AI film from scratch. We'll walk through building a multi-scene sequence using an AI video platform, shaping each scene with strong prompts, and guiding the model's focus with a highlight to get cinematic results. Start by heading to higgsfield.ai. This platform provides tools for AI video and image generation, and we'll use its video workflow. On the homepage, click on Video to open the video creation area. This takes you into a dedicated space for crafting sequences rather than single clips. Next, choose Multi-Shot. Multi-Shot lets you build a film with multiple scenes, which is ideal for short narratives, ads, or music visuals. Before you type anything, quickly picture your mini-story. Who's in it, where it happens, and the mood you want. Having a clear arc will make your prompts more consistent. Select Custom so you're starting from a blank canvas. Custom mode gives you full control over what appears in each scene. Now type your prompt for scene 1. Be specific and visual. Mention the subject, setting, time of day, mood, and style. If you have a preferred look, include it. Lighting style, color palette, lens feel, and any camera movement. Think of it like giving directions to a cinematographer. Short, concrete, and evocative. Move on to scene 2 and type your prompt. Keep continuity in mind. Reuse key descriptors for characters, wardrobe, and atmosphere so the model understands it's the same world. If you want more than 2 beats, use the Add button below to create additional scenes, repeating this approach for each one. Consistency and phrasing across scenes helps maintain character identity, environment, and tone. When your scenes are ready, click Generate. It may take some time to process, so let it run. The system is interpreting your instructions into a sequence, so patience here pays off. Once the render completes, you'll be able to evaluate how well your prompts translated into visuals. Open the Highlight feature. Highlights guide the model toward a signature shot or moment that should really stand out. You can click the preset labeled Close-Up of the man's face with rain dripping, serious expression, soft neon light reflecting in eyes, shallow depth of field, camera slowly pushing in, cinematic lighting, to see how a detailed highlight is structured. Now type your own highlight. Describe the focal moment with clear, cinematic language. Subject and emotion, lighting and color, depth of field, and any camera motion you want emphasized. Keep it consistent with your scenes so the highlight reinforces the story rather than fighting it. With that, you've set up a cohesive AI film from scratch, scene by scene, anchored by a compelling highlight.